Hi, I'm Sarah, and I am so excited that you guys are considering DIYing your flowers with You Floral. So I get asked quite a bit what DIYing entails, so I thought I would come on and chat with you guys a little bit about what You Floral is and does and how the DIYing process works. So when you're ordering flowers from You Floral, we ship the flowers directly from our warehouses to your door. So we have warehouses all across Western Canada and all throughout the US. So that means your flowers get to you super fast, making sure that your flowers are the freshest quality possible. That's important because when you're DIYing your wedding flowers, you want the freshest blooms that are possible. The other thing that's really cool about You Floral is we have loads of guidance for you guys. YouTube tutorials, we've got blogs, we've got Instagram, we've got Reels. We've got loads of content that's gonna help you have the confidence and the skills to achieve your vision. We also have real live florists that you can talk to. So we have design consultations where we can walk through your Pinterest board, answer any questions you have, talk about your hopes, your dreams, and what you want to achieve. And then we'll tell you exactly what you need to do in order to do that. By the end of a design consultation with us, you'll have a recipe with what flowers we recommend that will actually help you to achieve your vision. So if you're wondering, is You Floral a good place to get your flowers from? Well, just to brag a little bit, if you check out our Google reviews, we have loads of 5-star reviews. And if you go on Facebook Buy and Sells and just ask people, what do they think about You Floral? You'll find resounding amounts of people that just love our flowers. You're obviously wondering, what do the flowers look like? You're ordering them online, they're showing up at your house. So I have a little bit of the flowers here that are our flowers, so you can take a tiny bit of a peek. This is only obviously a snapshot. So if you want to see them in real weddings, on our blog, we have loads of actual weddings where you can see how the couples used their flowers from us and DIY'd their own weddings. So that way you can actually get a view into the actual world of what DIYing looks like in real life. So hopefully that helps you guys understand a little bit more of how the DIYing process works. We are only ever an email or a phone call away, so we're here to help you. We want you to succeed, and we love seeing how much money our couples save and how creative they really can be.